In today's tutorial, I'm going to address a question: how to fix a Style3D eyebrows and hair. So you've asked, I'm here to answer. Let's begin by exporting our avatar to Blender by Export and OBJ. Now we have to save the file as an OBJ, and let's go to the file, then extract the OBJ file. Now hover over to Blender, which I'm using in version 3.6, and now let's import it by OBJ Legacy. And always notice that you should tick the keep vertex in geometry. Now, as you all notice, the avatar is quite large. That's why we have to scale it down, and let's do this with select and S. The proportion should fit to the camera and light. First, adjust the light so everything's going to visible, and as you can see, the hair looks so bumpy. Right now we're working in AV, so in shading material, let's go to the setting and switch the blend mode and shadow mode to alpha blend and alpha hashed. Then switch the render engine to cycle. As you can see, the hair is sorted out, but the eyebrow is still a bit off, so we'll apply the same setting to it. And there's only one more thing to do, but before that, here's a quick reminder: don't forget to subscribe and like the video if you find it helpful. The last thing to do is to head over to render section, look on the light path and set the transparency to 64, and there you have it.